Hello beautiful people, welcome to Thanda Garam. मैं शेफ श्रेय खुराना and today we are making a sunrise smoothie which is basically a peach and banana smoothie with the infusion of turmeric in it. So मैंने कहा कि यार अपना इंडियन है हम और abundance और turmeric है तो why not use in this smoothie and make it a nutritional one. So yeah, stay tuned with the whole video and I'll meet you at the end. So yeah guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it and learned a lot. There are basically 5 ingredients and what I think turmeric is the very important ingredient is this smoothie. So yeah, it has so many health benefits to the human body and I hope you will use it in other smoothies also, and I make sure to make the videos of them too. So yeah, till then subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family. So yeah, I Chef Shrey Khurana signing off. Till then, peace.